In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Minecraft for free on your Mac. First, open any internet browser. In the search bar of your search engine, type Minecraft download and hit enter. Now go ahead and click on the first result, which is the official Minecraft website. Once you're there, click the button that says Download for macOS. This will save the file to your Downloads folder. Next, open your Downloads folder from Finder, and you should see the Minecraft DMG file. Double-click to open it, and then simply drag the Minecraft icon into the Applications folder. After that, use the search bar on your Mac to look for Minecraft and launch the application. Click Open, and it will begin downloading the necessary files. Choose Allow, then select Sign in with Microsoft. Now just sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click Let's Go. From the left-hand menu, select Minecraft Java Edition, then choose Play Demo. Wait for the download to complete. When it's finished, click Continue, and you can start playing the trial version of Minecraft. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.